Isaiah 11. Verse 11. And the cruel Lord is doing his thing. Trump is that cruel Lord. And you Latin brothers, you better get rid of that accent. You better have your birth certificates out. You better let them know I was born here. I'm Puerto Rican. You know, I'm this, I'm that. Anyway, it says, and it shall come to pass in that day, which is now, we all agree that this is talking about now, that Yahweh shall set his hand again the second time to recover the remnant remaining of his people, which shall be left from Assyria and from Egypt and from Patros and from Cush and from Elam and from Shinar and from Hamath and from the islands of the sea. Meaning anywhere that the Lord didn't mention every place that they were scattered. Meaning when he's mentioned all these places, that means wherever they were scattered. Wherever they were scattered. Where's the word? Did I read the word remnant? And the Lord shall cover a remnant. A remnant. What does the word remnant mean? I'm going to go into that word in a minute. I'm going to click on that word. And he shall set up an ensign for the nations and shall assemble the outcasts of Israel by what? A remnant, and gather together the dispersed of Judah, the remnant of Judah from the four corners of the earth. And that's Matthew 24. But in Matthew 24, it said that they're going to gather the elect from the four winds. So the two kingdoms will come together. They're coming together now. But it's talking about the remnant. The Lord is not saving all Israel that's scattered through all these different nations. Neither is he saving all Israelites from Babylon the Great, because they're going to have to taste the destruction as well. Because they, you know, when you go back to Matthew 10, it says, in not too many words, give them your peace. If they give you peace back, then you stay with them and teach them. If they don't, take your peace back, shake the dust, for it shall be more tolerable on the day of Sodom and Gomorrah than for that city and that town. Meaning what? Is that particular town in Palestine going to be destroyed? No. It's going to be destroyed anyway. But the people that rejected you, the Israelites that rejected you over 2,000 years ago, them the same Israelites going to be here in America, probably a Christian, a dumbass Christian, and they're going to be destroyed. And they're not even going to know why. And these same people that the apostles encountered 2,000 plus years ago, we didn't encounter them again, and they didn't accept our peace. So a remnant of the Israelites in America will be delivered, which are also known as the elect. But the rest of the Israelites, if you're here in America, you will die. You will burn up if you don't die before the missiles. Some of you are going to get sick and die. Some of you are going to sleep on a banana pill. Some of you are going to get shot. Some of you are going to catch heart attacks. Some of you are going to get caught up in them riots, class riots, race riots, you know, all kind of things. Some of you are going to be hit by cars, you know. But if you make it through all that, you ain't going to make it past the fire. There ain't going to be no survivors in that fire. Because this whole 5,000 square miles of this country, this great country. Now, why you say great? Well, you can be great in a good way, or great in an evil way. Farrakhan said that Hitler was a great man, and they criticized criticized him. And he said he explained to them, you can be wickedly great. Do you know that Adolf Hitler was on the cover of was it Time magazine as a Man of the Year? Did that mean he was a great man? Come on now.